So I was going to start the series by transforming the front room into a cat playroom, but this leak has been dry all summer with the rain that we've had and everything else. It started about a year ago, and it was during winter time. And so I thought it was the gutters and fixed the gutters up, and the leak seemed to have stopped. However, it came back the moment we got a really cold night, and then it started leaking. So here we are, putting a hole in the ceiling to find out where the leak is coming from, or to try to figure out where the leak is coming from. Of course, the first small hole I put in was right at the beam. I should have known better. Now, it hasn't rained or snowed for days, and when it did rain, the leak was not causing a problem. Like I said, it's been all summer, it's been dry. I was actually going to repair it and patch it up this winter. And there's the beam. I found it. Time to make the hole bigger now. I am no professional, just somebody that has enough confidence to take on projects and fix things up by myself. So if I'm doing something wrong, you can leave it in the comments below, and I will take it into consideration. And what I thought was the bigger hole still was not big enough, and so here I am making the hole even bigger, because why not? It's all got to get repaired eventually. So figure it out and make the hole bigger. And those lovely brown drips, don't worry about those. It's not mold. It is just the mud that is holding the paper in the corner to the drywall. I'm not good with actual terminology, but that's what it is. This is the area above where the hole is. Our roof's supposed to have this much moisture underneath in the wintertime. Seems like a lot. Let me know and help me out. What do I do? After thinking it over, I went back up to the attic and looked above where I had stuff stored, and I noticed that there was no frost above where all the stuff was being stored. So I'm thinking it's going to be an insulation problem. There's not enough insulation up there to not allow the roof to have frost on the underneath part. Let me know if I'm right on that, but as you could see, where the storage boxes are ending, that's where the frost starts showing on the under part of the roof. So I'm thinking I'm going to be picking up some insulation and installing it in the attic and fixing the attic first. Let me know if I'm right and it's just an insulation problem, and once I get insulation and probably more boxes up there because I have plenty of storage to put up there, if that's going to help and take away the problem. Thank you so much for watching.